What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Now, yes, I know little man looks rough right now, but I did hook him up with a nice draw fade, and that's what he asked for, so that's what I gave him. And I did leave the top because he wants to let it grow out, so that's what we did. And anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, and as you can see, I have a number 2 guard with my wall magic clips. Now the only reason why I wanted to start with number 2, it's just to bring down the hair. I didn't want to start off with my trimmers and start balling him out. Just the fact that like some trimmers do pull the hair with the length of the hair just being long. So what I did was I did number 2, and then after that I'm gonna do a clip over comb. Just the fact, you know, just to get it out that bulk away. You know, I just hate seeing that. And as you can see, number 2 guard. Okay guys, now before I start doing the balling, I decided just to take out the bulk, just to get it out the way. I sometimes just like I can't really deal with it. So what I did, I grabbed the 1/8 detachable blade with my favorite comb and pretty much just started bringing the bulk down. That way I can actually see where I'm gonna start balling out and see the, so that way I can have enough space to do this draw fade. Okay guys, so now I grab my wall cordless detailers to start balling down my my client's hair, and pretty much I'm just bringing down and doing the shape of a draw fade. Okay, so now I have my wall shavers, and as you can see, I'm only going to give myself enough space to bald out my client's head, like extra bald, and giving myself enough room to take out the hard line. Okay guys, now for my second guideline, I am going to start off with the number 1 close. So pretty much since I gave him a number 2, what started off with a number 2, I'm sorry, all you have to do is pretty much just open the lever and it blends into the 2. So I decided just to start with a number 1 to make this fade much easier. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do an open lever, and I'm gonna work on that on the second guideline that I did. So pretty much what I'm doing, since it was already a 2 and I used the number 1, I do the open lever and it already creates pretty much like a 1.5. So it blends right away into the number 2. Okay, so now I'm closing the lever little by little, just to kind of give it a last touch with the number 1 guard. And all I'm gonna do is just use the corners just to give it more of the soft blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna create another guideline. Pretty much what I'm doing is the bottom line that I'm pointing with my pinky. I'm doing the open lever just to create another soft guideline. So that way I can, after with the open lever, I can come with the 1/16 guard and starting to blend to the number 1. Okay, so now I close the lever all the way closed, and pretty much what I'm doing is trying to get rid of that bottom line that you can see just by using the corners. Now remember, I'm not using the full blade. Is the reason why is because I'm doing a drop fade. I'm not doing no mid fade. I'm not doing no high fade, so I don't have to use the full blade. It's just by using the corners and doing it more into like going with the drop fade pretty much. Now I have my 1/16 guard, and as you can see, I pointed out with my finger the guideline that I'm gonna work on. I did an open lever. Now, as you can see, I'm actually going to be closing the lever little by little, just to soften out that hard line, and pretty much just trying to blend as much as I can with this 1/16 guard. So I did see that there's like kind of a heavy bulk that I left out, that I'm pointing out with my pinky. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a clip over comb with an open lever, using no guards, just the blade and the clip over comb. Now a lot of people ask me, why do you going up? So pretty much what I'm doing is using the comb as a guard, if that makes sense. It's really simple, it's really easy. You know, it's kind of a less work than using like guard after guard after guard. And once you master the clip over comb, it's like, wow, it's a whole different game into like doing any type of fade pretty much. And yeah, so you can see I'm doing a clip over comb. Now before anything, little man did have like his baby hairs, so his baby hairs were not really dark enough to have that sharp lineup. Now before anything, don't go over there and be like, well, why are you pushing back? Well, because the mother knows that his baby hairs are not really noticeable when it comes to a lineup, so she did give me the permission to kind of like not really push him too much, but like kind of make it more noticeable. Okay guys, last but not least, I am using some hair product, just getting a little bit of style, you know, into his hair. So what at first I was trying to give him a comb over, right? But his hair was just like, it just wouldn't let me do that, the comb over. If that makes sense. Like the hair from the back would stick up, you know, and the front would stick up straight. So what I told him is like, hey, just let it grow out a little bit more longer, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna be able to do this comb over like how the way you want it. But as you can see, I'm just trying to mess around with his hair, give him a little cool little look, whatever. But the kid ended up liking it. Okay YouTube, well this is the final cut. I gave it the little man a dry fade. He did want it to comb over, but then I was like, no, because you know your hair is not long enough, your hair is kind of crazy right now. So he says he's gonna wait. But you guys, you know what, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, and for all my subscribers out there. I did try my best with this little man to give him the best haircut, but you know how kids move too much, and also trying to record, it was kind of tough, but I went through it. Alright guys, till next time.